Hello, my name is Uzair Ahmed Khan. Today I'm going to be talking about PalmShield, an AI integrated framework for identifying date palm tree health. In this presentation, we will be talking about the problem and how it impacts us all. We will be talking about the solution to our problem and an on-field testing of our solution. So to begin with, palm trees. They are a multi-billion-dollar industry and there are 40 million of them in the UAE alone. They are important to the agriculture, to the food supply and the culture of the UAE. They are also a great asset in our fight against global warming as they can absorb up to 200 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year. And once these date palm trees get sick, an average farmer has to have a lot of time and a lot of expertise in identifying these diseases. And once the identification is too late, farmers have to resort to spraying pesticides which ruin the ground underneath the tree, and they themselves cause a lot of carbon dioxide to manufacture them. So our solution is to automate the process of identifying the diseases in date palm trees. To do this, we trained an AI network with a dataset of over 3,000 images that consist over 8 disease classes, 600 raw images that were taken in real date palm farms in Oman. So how does our solution work? A farmer takes a picture of a date palm tree with his phone, and our solution computes an identification of the disease for him. And with that, he can get a recommendation on what to do next, as well as see other insights like how his overall farm is doing.
Hello, my name is Abdelhad Mohammed, and I am going to show you the features of the PalmShield app and how it's easy for farmers to use. After that, we are going to show you a live video about testing the app. So as you can see here, it is easy to use and completely offline. And also you can see the statistics for your farm, like how much it's healthy and disease and so on. So you can see that it is satisfied the sustainability theme design. Also, you can create a QR code per each tree. Like for example, you can just click on that button and then write the name of the tree, and then you are going to get the QR code. Also, you can manage your farm by clicking on this. You are going to go to your farms, which are like this one. Al-Jahli, for example, my farms, Al-Jahli, you can see all trees in that farm. Click on that one. You are going to see that the statistics about your trees in that farm. For example, 46 means that is 46% healthy. If you want to see specified tree, you can just click on that tree and you are going to see something like this on the right, the details about that tree, okay? How much it's healthy, and also if you go down, you can see more details. If you want to click on that one, that button, add another angle or capture, like this one here, you can see, if you go down, you can see also the report. Also, if you want to see another angle or another capture, you can click on this button to create another captures of that tree. For example, you create an image before, for example, 1 month, and you got this percentage. For example, it is 45% healthy. You can take after 1 month another picture of that tree to see how much is different from the last month, to see if your solution worked or not. And as I mentioned, you can see also the report or expert advice to remove that disease. And also we have 2 buttons, which are the first button is this one. Either if you want to do a quick scan, okay, quick tree scan for the whole tree, you can click on the right button. Or you want just a specific leaf for the whole tree, you can click on that on the left, and then you are going to go to this one, to here. So this is for the specified leaf. You can now take a picture or scan that leaf to see the disease, if it's disease or no, out of the 8 disease classes. And also, as I mentioned before, you will get a recommended report or treatment, and that's it. You can also save to farm history, to that history of your trees in that farm. And yes, we use a efficient net to train the model, and also unit to determine the location of each disease in the leaf. We got 91%, which means that this is not for the whole tree, it is for each palm leaf. And that's it. Thank you. Now you are going to see a live video for testing the app.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our real life demonstration for the app working in the real time. Okay, so we have here 3 trees as a representation for our farm currently. This is our app, PalmShield. We can open it. So the idea is design language fit the natural theme for demonstration that this is an environmental app. Okay, so we have here total CO2 saved 36.4 tons. Okay, this will update with our farm expanding and growing for better health and better CO2 saving. Our app message is your care saves lives and the environment. So here we have the farm management tab. In the farm management tab, we will open it. We will open our farm, which is this specific 3-tree place. We have those 2 trees which have been scanned. The only tree left is this tree, which we will use for demonstration purposes. Okay, so we have this QR code. We will scan the app. This QR code contains the tree name and the coordinates for the tree, so it can be saved in the correct location, in this specific location for this tree. So we can open the QR code scanner. It has been scanned. Now, for our model to understand that this tree is healthy or not, we can take a photo of the whole tree. Okay, then it will make the computations. As we can see, this tree is not healthy at all. This is mainly furazim wilt disease. As we can see here, it is really diseased. Okay, so our app is working correctly. We can save it now. Save the capture. When we save the capture, a new tree has appeared here, and as we can see, we can open it to review our old scanning. As we can see, everything is red, which means that the whole tree is infected. And here we have an expert advice for normal use case. We can know what should we do with this specific disease. So now we are in a new location. As we can see, this is an almost healthy tree. I will try to scan it, a quick scan. Instead of scanning a whole farm, we have a button called quick scan tree. We can scan just one tree. So we can scan it and see what it will give us. This is almost healthy. It has some spots where it is yellow, but mostly it's healthy. So now the app is making the decision. As we can see, it is 68.2% healthy. Okay, and it will show us where it is healthy, where it is not healthy. And if we go inside the tree, we can see that yes, a couple of spots is not healthy, but mostly, especially on top, is healthy. And in the app, it is showing the same results. Finally, I want to talk about our aim with this project. Our project is designed to be deployed on drones, robots. So in a farm, we can make a self-driving robot that will take shots from all the trees, okay, and then save them in the app. And as a customer or as a farm owner, you will see your whole farm, the percentage. For example, here our Al Jahili farm is very low, the percentage of the health in the farm and that stuff, so you can monitor it better and save the environment in a good way. And that was it for our PalmShield app done by Abu Dhabi University students.